Hi all, welcome back to Simple Cookery. Today we'll be making a healthy pancake recipe. You'll only be needing 3 ingredients for this one: bananas, eggs and oats. Coming up. Okay guys, first step is to peel 2 bananas into your bowl. Use the back of your fork and give it a good mash until it reaches this mushy type consistency. Go ahead and crack 2 eggs into your bowl and use your fork to combine. Measure a cup of oats into a blender, food processor or a magic bullet. But if you don't have any of these at home, then you can use quick oats. It will give your banana pancakes a different texture, but it will work out when you're cooking it on the pan. Go ahead and give your oats a good blitzing in your machine. You can blend until any consistency is reached. Here I've blended my oats until it has reached a coarse powder consistency. Add your blended oats into the banana and egg mixture and stir until combined. Set your pan on the stove on a low to medium heat. Add a small portion of butter onto your pan and move it around until melted. Ladle a small portion of mixture onto your pan. The smaller the portion, the easier it will be to flip later on. Once you see bubbles start to form on the surface of your pancake and the edges of the pancake start to cook, go ahead and gently see if your pancakes will move on the pan. If they are moving quite easily, then they are ready to flip. This may take around 2 to 3 minutes. Go ahead and flip your pancakes and cook for another minute. And there you have it, your banana pancakes. This recipe keeps me well fueled during the morning because it uses really great ingredients like bananas, oats and eggs. So I'd really recommend you have a go at this recipe if you want a delicious and healthy start to your day. Okay, here we have it, the banana pancakes. Okay, John.
Looks really good, Jemma.
Thank you. I cook it a lot, so I'm really excited to see how these turned out.
I like the subtle banana flavour.
Yeah, because usually I don't even like banana in desserts usually, so if you don't like bananas, this is really good because it's really like very subtle.
Anyways guys, if you found this video helpful, give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, let us know what other recipes you'd like to see on this channel. If you want to see Jemma more often on this channel as well, get her cooking more. Also drop a comment down below. Subscribe down below and hit that notification bell button to get notified of our weekly videos. On Simple Cookery, we upload simple recipes and cooking techniques to help you guys get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, see you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.